quick and easy craft that you can make with your kids or grandkids are these craft sticks. You can get them at Walmart, or they're like $1 or something. These ones are about a 1/2 inch wide and 6 inches long. And then what I did is I just took craft paint, acrylic paint you can get at Michael's or any craft store. And then I took a marker and wrote on it, "Make hot chocolate." So these are just things you can do throughout the Christmas season. Just grab one if you're not feeling inspired, or if you just want to do something. You can. This one says, "Make a goal list for next year." Call Grandma and Grandpa. My grandma and grandpa are gone now, so this tells you. I've had these for a while. Write down how you were blessed this year. Donate toys or answer a request from a giving tree. I mean, just there's things that make you remember the reason for the season. Christmas drinks and sing and dance. Doesn't have to be alcoholic drinks. Hot cocoa, spiced cider. Caramel apple spice from Costco. From Starbucks. You can make it at home. You just get regular apple cider and a little bit of ice cream topping caramel. Add that in. Oh, yum. It's delicious. Just warm it up. Go on a family outing, movie, bowling. Granted, this year is probably not a year for doing that since we're under quarantine. But, you get the idea. Find things. Maybe go look at Christmas lights. Go shopping and out for lunch as a family. Help someone who needs it. That's always good. Makes you feel good, makes them feel good. These are just a few of the things. That one I can't. Remember the reason for the season. Anyway, you can come up with your own little family tips and tricks that you want to do, or your own family habits or traditions. That's more like your family traditions, and maybe you make new ones. Maybe you draw one every day, or listen to music with only the tree lights on. That's one of my favorite things. I've done that since I was a kid. Get up before school, turn on the Christmas lights. It's still dark outside. Turn on some Christmas music and just lay there and look at the lights. That's one of my actually very favorite things to do during the holidays. Anyway, quick, easy. Don't need a lot of supplies, and anybody can do it. You don't even have to paint them if you don't want to. You can just write on them with a Sharpie. But it'd be fun coming up listing your traditions, and maybe some traditions the kids would like to start or try. Maybe going to zoo lights. I think we're going to be able to do that this year. Maybe it's driving around drinking cocoa and looking at Christmas lights in the neighborhood. So anyway, hope you found that interesting, and let me know if you give it a try.